All.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. So in EHP already we have discussed about what is chart of accounting and chart of accounting theory. Again, I'm not going to discuss theory. Same classes. And here we have an operative chart of accounting, group chart of accounting, and country specific chart of accounting. That's I will explain in second part. First, we'll go for configuration in one company. Second company, I will explain parallel accounting procedures. So please write step number 1. Define chart of accounting. Okay, even I'm not writing path also because we have a same path in ECC and EHP and S4HANA also. OB13. So please remember in ECC, otherwise EHP, we have a two options like this. Financial accounting లేదా ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంటింగ్ అని ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ ఉండదు, ఒకటే ఉంటుంది ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంటింగ్. సో ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్ గో త్రూ పాత్ ఆర్ టీ కోడ్. ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ షార్ట్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్. The chart of accounting is the all list of all general ledger accounts. Simply you can call it master accounts. That can be used by one or more than one company code. Ante meaning enti? One chart of accounting is going to be work for one company code, otherwise more than one company code. Okay, whenever you have a group of chart of accounting, we are not going to create multiple chart of accounting. Company code will be different. A1 company, B1 company. Chart of accounting will be AB. The AB will work for A1 company, AB will work for B1 company also. Okay, మన previous class చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఎలా చెప్పాం? 1 to 1 చెప్పాం. If really you want, you can work like a one chart of accounting is going to be enough for more than one company code also. In SAP, the chart of accounting, you can call COA, chart of accounting, is defined at the client level. At the client and assign each and every company. It is a list of hierarchy Screen చూడండి. Identification. Look here. The chart of accounting is going to be defined by client level. How and why it called client level? Because whenever we are working for XYZ client, even we don't know what bank is using and what is the bank account details, what type of vendors is having, what kind of customers is having relation, we don't know. Whenever the master data is going to be provided by client to companies, according to the information only, we will create a ledgers. So this all ledgers are going to be defined at the client level only. Based on the client level, the reference of the client level, we are going to assign into company. I will explain you. Am I audible for online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look here, already you have a knowledge about FS00, right? FS00. What is this called? Centrally. Centrally means it is going to be work for CO and FI. It is going to be work like a chart of accounting level and group chart of accounting level and country specific chart of accounting level. It's all rounder. Simply is all rounder. So I'm going to access another T code. /O will indicate for new. FSP0. FSP0. Don't write and please check the screen. FSP0. When you click here FSP0, what is reflecting here? Only chart of accounting level. Only chart of accounting. So if I go to /O FSS0, what is this? Company code. Okay, each and every company will use a different kind of controlling activities that is depends on their requirement. Okay, because here in India, I will use INR currency. But if you go to US, they will use USD currency. Here, I'm going to select my sort key will be 002. It's indicate for document number along with fiscal year. But some others will select only 0001. That's called assignment number only. The way of usage is totally different based on the country to country. Ante meaning enti? Once the chart of accounting, I mean, then మీకు ఒక సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. నేను నోట్స్ కూడా ఇస్తాను. ఇది కంపెనీ కోడ్ లెవెల్ కదా. ఇది చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంటింగ్. This is chart of accounting level. What is this T code? Okay, already I'm having S1 company. It is my old company. So here I'm going to create FSP0, FS00, FSP0, FSS0. Okay, so first I'm going to create in FSP0. Look here and don't write. $110,000. It is indicating for liability. S1 is my company, my chart of accounting. Enter. So 1 lakh is liability. So balance sheet, part of liability. So I'm writing here testing for S2. I mean chart of accounting to company code. Okay, the part is okay FSP0. Just I'm creating and say where I have created FSP0. Look. So I'm going to hide this. Now I'm going with company code. I'm going with company code. What is T code? ఇప్పటిదాకా నేను FS00 పోలే కదా. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. Do we have any account that 1,10,000 account? No. I'm going to click here. Again, I'm writing here 1,10,000 company code S1 enter. Look here, I got this information. From where you got? From client you got. From client you got this information. Control data tab. Okay, so this belongs to India, then I will select India. For example, we are working in S3 company code, then we will select USD currency. Only balances in local currency. What are the requirement? It is okay. So just you have to select required information. This is a part of your knowledge. I'm going to select to open item management also. Sorting is 002. Yes, I have done all my requirements and enter and save. Okay, make entry field. Okay, I have to select this also. I forgot. Okay, enter and save. ఇది ఎక్కడ సేవ్ చేసిన ఇది మైనస్ చేస్తా ఇప్పుడు నేను FS00కి వెళ్ళా ఓకే జస్ట్ కమ్ హియర్ do you have this account any no if just you click here write 1,10,000 enter already is created in S1 where you have created this is reflecting here no just go back and click FS00 అంటే ప్రాక్టికల్ గా వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత FS00 లెడ్జర్ క్రియేట్ చేయండి దీని ప్యారలల్ అకౌంటింగ్ అంటాం ఇందులో మళ్ళీ కన్సల్టేషన్ కనెక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి విల్ గో ప్యారలల్ 1 by 1 ఓకే సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫస్ట్ మీకు నార్మల్ గా చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంటింగ్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలో స్ట్రక్చర్ చెప్తున్నాను అంటే హౌ టు క్రియేట్ OB13 OB62 దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బేసిక్ ఓవర్ వ్యూ దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ విల్ గో టెక్నికల్ okay just leave this all and we'll continue the class. Am I audible for online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
మీరు ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాస్ కి రారా అండి
Sir.
ఓ పని చేస్తాం మీరు ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాస్ కి రాకపోతే కెమెరా యాక్సెస్ ఓపెన్ పెట్టించి తర్వాత వీడియోస్ అన్ని యూట్యూబ్ లో పెడతాను so please come from tomorrow onwards offline class okay we'll continue our class practical class OB13 and please share the screen and what is your company code name S2 OB13 is the transaction code. Select new entries on application bar. Select new entries on application bar. My chart of accounting name is S2. Chart of accounting for S2 company code. I'm using language English. Length of GL accounting number 6 because I'm using 6 digits. There is no conditions to use 6 digit. The SAP system will accept minimum 1 and maximum 10. Maximum 10 digits. And please share the screen here. If you go to ECC, here you get one option. Integration. Okay, what is the integration? You have to select here manual or manual integrations with controlling. Sir, open the shoots. మీ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ నాకు అర్థం అవ్వట్లా Guartunda? So what is the purpose to activate from manual to automatic? And where it is going to be impact in controlling?
Automatic, so directly it will impact in CO also.
Where the CO is going to be impact?
It's that whether one.
When you have selected cost element accountings, sorry, if you select automatic creation of cost elements, the cost elements are going to be impact into the cost centers at the same time in profit centers. Okay. For example, if you select in manual, in future, if you create any ledger, that all ledgers are going to be held in the hierarchy that is called chart of account. Whenever you have connected chart of accounting to controlling, wherever you are creating ledger relevant of expense or revenue, those ledgers are going to be impact and reflect into controlling automatic. That's make connection. So in ECC and EHP, it is a manual. But whenever you go to S4 HANA, there is no option. And the meaning is that option is done as a predefined. If you create any ledger in FI level, that ledger is automatically impact or reflect into controlling directly. No need, no manual. That means option is not hide. Option is preferred as a predefined. Please copy. Please go. In next example, I will explain. In next scenario, I will explain. Enter in. See. This is your project, right? Enter in. See. So please write step number second. Assign company code to chart of create a connection. Add company to sub. T code is OB62. Once the chart of accounting, is created, it assigns assignment to company code is mandatory, so that Look here. Chart of account. అంటే ఏంటి? Book keeping. Will create all ledgers at chart of accounting only. Chart of accounting will connect with company code. If you host a ledger as a document, ఒక వోచర్ పోస్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఏంటి? డెబిట్ క్రెడిట్ రెండు లెడ్జర్లు ఉండాలి. పోస్ట్ చేస్తాం. పోస్ట్ చేస్తే ఆ పోస్ట్ చేసింది ఎక్కడ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది? కంపెనీ కోడ్ లో రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే లెడ్జర్ క్రియేట్ చేసేదేమో చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంటింగ్ లో వోచర్ పోస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు లెడ్జర్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. వోచర్ పోస్ట్ అయితే అది ఇంపాక్ట్ అయ్యేది కంపెనీ కోడ్ కి. దట్స్ ద కాల్డ్ కనెక్షన్ బిట్వీన్ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంటింగ్ టు కంపెనీ కోడ్. OB 62. చూడండి. SM12. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ యూజర్ ఉన్నాడు కదా, హెచ్ యూజర్ 16. ఎవరు? సురేష్ మీరేనా? సురేష్, is it you? Yeah. Please don't do that. I will close here. I will close from here.
Sure.
Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఈ యూజర్ ఏం చేశాడంటే OB62 అనే టీ కోడ్ ని ఓపెన్ చేశాడు అనుకో. ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఏమవుతుందంటే OB62 నేను ఓపెన్ చేయలే కదా, OB62 కాదు OB13 ఓపెన్ చేసినా లాక్ అవుతుంది. అంటే వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద కనెక్షన్స్, internal connections, if the user using at in one system, the second user it is not possible to access the same scenario. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కాబట్టి డేటా క్లోజ్ చేస్తాం. లైవ్ లో డేటా క్లోజ్ చేయకూడదు. ఇమీడియట్లీగా మన ఇంటర్నల్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఓపెన్ చేసి హెచ్ యూజర్ ని ట్యాగ్ చేసి, అంటే మనం కొంచెం టైం వెయిట్ చేస్తాం. విల్ వెయిట్ 5 minutes or 10 minutes అకార్డింగ్ టు ద సిచ్యువేషన్, అండ్ స్టిల్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏబుల్, బేసిక్లీ మేబీ ఈస్ బిజీ ఆర్ మేబీ ఫర్గాట్ క్లోజ్. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఒకసారి నేను హెచ్ యూజర్ ఎవరున్నారో వాళ్ళకు మెయిల్ రాస్తా. when I'm trying OB62 transaction code, I'm getting already the screen is using by so and so person, and this is the evidence అని ఒక స్క్రీన్ షాట్ వేసి ప్లీజ్ క్లోజ్ ఇట్ అని చెప్తా. మనోడు క్లోజ్ చేసిన అనుకో, ఓకే రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వలేదు, బిజీగా ఉన్నాడు, వెళ్ళిపోయాడు అనుకోండి. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తానంటే ఇదే మెయిల్ ని నా హెచ్ఆర్ కో లేదా నా టీఎల్ కో ట్యాగ్ చేసి మెయిల్ పెట్టి అప్పుడు నేను కన్క్లూజన్ రాసుకుంటా. డ్యూ టు సమ్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ డ్యూ టు సమ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్, సో ఐఎమ్ క్లోజింగ్ ది స్క్రీన్ బై ఫోర్స్డ్, సో ప్లీజ్ ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ ఇట్ అని చెప్పి అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తా, SM12లోకి వెళ్ళి అన్ని క్లోజ్ చేయకూడదు. అప్పుడు హెచ్ యూజర్ 16 ఈ కోడ్ ఏంటి, హెచ్ యూజర్ సర్చ్. సో ఈయన రెండు స్క్రీన్లు ఓపెన్ పెట్టండి. ఓపెన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి డిలీట్ చేస్తాం. డిలీట్ అయిందా చూడండి. yes, then after I will get back OB62. yes, I can access it. okay, వీడియో ప్లే అయినప్పుడు రాసుకోండి, నోట్స్ రాసుకోండి. select position tab. Please continue class. Select position tab. What is your company code? Yes, 2. What is your chart of accounting? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, alternate chart of accounting కూడా ఒకటి ఉంది, country chart of accounting. Tomorrow I will explain this all. ప్రస్తుతానికైతే ఇది రాయండి. Enter and see. Enter and see. Then after go for next step. Define account group. Already మనకు తెలుసు కదా. Create accounting groups. For example, is liability accounting group. What is T equal?
OBD.
OBD. Okay, I'm not writing path here, just will go for. Accounting groups are used to maintain intervals. Intervals అంటే ranges, range, series. Segregate GL accounts and define fields. Okay. ఇక్కడ జనరల్ లెడ్జర్ అకౌంటింగ్స్ ఏంటి అంటే యూస్ టు మెయింటైన్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్, అంటే మొత్తం ఒక ఆర్డర్ లో లైబిలిటీస్ అనే ఒక ఆర్డర్ లో, అసెట్స్ అనే ఒక ఆర్డర్ లో, ఇన్కమ్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్స్ విల్ బి ఇన్ ఆర్డర్. At the same time, segregate GL accounts and define field status. So field status ante OBC4 kada T code. No. In OBD4 also we have a options to segregate the mandatory fields. The field status option is available in OBD4 also. I will show you. Please check the screen. OBD4. Look here. This is not our company, so I will explain you. My existing one is S1 company. Okay, this is my company. Okay, just you select here. You have a field status. Account management. Do you know the surprise and requirement? Okay, from here also you can apply. మనం ఏం చేసేవాళ్ళం 0010051 సెలెక్ట్ చేసి తీసుకొచ్చి లెడ్జర్ కి అసైన్ చేసి, ఒకవేళ నువ్వు గ్రూప్ కి అసైన్ చేసినావు అనుకో, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ద హోల్ లైబిలిటీస్ విల్ బి ఇన్ ద సేమ్ కేటగిరీ, ద హోల్ అసెట్స్ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ మ్యాండేటరీ ఫీల్డ్స్. సో యూ కెన్ అప్లై బై OBC4, అదర్వైజ్ OBD4. Select new entries. రాసుకోండి. S2. We get liability, so we can't write more than 4 digits here. 1 minute. Am I clear for online?
Yes, sir.
liabilities account group, part of S2, account number. So I'm using 6 digits number here. S2, asset account group. Look here, the spelling is mistake, right? The spelling mistake only. Okay. Whenever you wants to edit, you have to come back to the same screen and go to the position tab. You can find out the group account number. You can change whenever you want in the description. అంటే ఇది మార్చడం ఎప్పుడైనా కుదురుతుంది. ఇది కుదరదు. Okay. Description is always accessible. Please copy your account group. Enter in. Enter and save. Next, you have to create defined retained earnings account. Define retained earnings account. Retained earnings account. OB 53. Chart of accounting S2 presenter. CA cost account. All liabilities will be closed in cost. If you have to pay anything, it is called liability. If you paid once, it's called expenses. REA, revenue account. All your receivable will cost account. Here you can write 2 digits. Most of the persons will write like X account and Y account. For your easy understanding, I am writing that CA will called as a cost account and REA called as a revenue account. Whenever you have receivables, it's called asset. Once if you receive, it's called income. Okay, so assets are going to be closed in the income. Liabilities will close it in the expenditure. Okay, so what is mean by CA? So cost account is connected with liabilities. Because liability is going to be closed as expenses. Asset be closed as a income. You have to write enter 2 times and save. Write 2 times, enter and save. That's good. Define tolerance group of GL accounts.
Sir, in income also we can mention like C or I or we have to do as per the.
Most of the time we'll write X account and Y account, but according to me, if you write a meaningful name, it will be easy. But most of the time we'll write X account, capital X and capital Y. In real time, we'll write capital X and capital Y. Okay, define tolerance group for GL accounts. PH. In live scenario, tolerance group allows excuse me. Assurance. Kiran, sir. Details తీసుకో. Yeah, the tolerance group limits. The tolerance are referred as a payment difference. It can Okay. OBH. Yes, OBH. Select new entries. What is company code? Here I'm creating S201 is group. Okay. Yes, general limit and S2. Debit. Debit means whenever you are paying. 1 minute. One. Look here and please understand. The tolerance group for GL accounts. Okay, we are not defined GL accounts right now. Whenever you are paying, your limit is okay 100 rupees, otherwise 1000, otherwise 1 lakh. If you have to exceed any additional expenditure, you can able to give up to 10%, otherwise 5%. 100 రూపాయల మీద 5% అంటే ఎంత? 5 రూపీస్. అంటే యువర్ లిమిట్ ఈస్ 100 రూపీస్. ఓకే, డెసిమల్ పాయింట్స్ నేనైనా పెట్టింది. గుర్తు చేయండి సార్, వెళ్ళి తీసాం డెసిమల్ పాయింట్స్. For example, I'm giving 1000 rupees limit. 1000 రూపాయల కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఖర్చు పెట్టాల్సి వస్తే ఈ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ఎక్స్పెన్స్ మోర్ దెన్ 1050 అంటే 50 rupees is having access without any permission you can do in the debit level. But whenever you comes to credit level is having limit only 1 lakh, sorry 1000, but you can access up to 99%. Means ఎంత అమౌంట్ వచ్చినా తీసుకోగలుగుతాడు. is having the permission. పే చేయాల్సి వస్తే మాత్రం పే చేయాల్సిన దాంతోనే 5% మాత్రమే ఎక్సిట్ చేయగలుగుతారు. I will give you one simple example about this and he is my coordinator. Okay. He is requested for one event. ఏదో ఒక వర్క్ ఉందని చెప్పాడు. ఆ వర్క్ కి ఎస్టిమేటెడ్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ ఎంత అంటే 1000 rupees. Then I'm giving access to him. Yes, you take 1000 rupees and whatever you want you can purchase. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఏమైంది అంటే that all our list of accounts is become a 1100 rupees. And what I have to do? Estimated plan is 1000. ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సార్.
ఇంకా 50 rupees.
ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ ఉన్నారు. మిస్టర్ ఏ ఈజ్ మై పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ okay is OB. What is limit him? 1000. 1000 రూపాయలు తీసుకెళ్ళి ఏదో కొని తీసుకురమ్మని చెప్పాను యూజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆఫీస్. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత 1100 అయింది. అగైన్ హీ విల్ కాల్, అదర్వైజ్ హీ విల్ కమ్ అండ్ టేక్ 100 rupees ఎక్స్ట్రా. ఇతని దగ్గర నాకు బ్యాంక్ ఒక పేమెంట్ యాక్సెస్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఈ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు మేక్ ఆల్ పేమెంట్స్. బట్ హీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ రైట్స్ టు డూ ద బిల్ 1100 బికాస్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ లిమిట్ ఓన్లీ 1000. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తా అంటే ఇతనికి ఒక 10% యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తా. అంటే ఎప్పుడైనా నేను చెప్పిన బిల్ కన్నా 10% ఎక్కువ అయితే నన్ను అడగకు, కొనేసుకో అని చెప్తా. అంటే up to 1100 he will buy. For example, the bill is become a 1500 rupees. There is no access, he will come again. ఇలా మనం ఒక బిల్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఒక యాక్సెస్ కూడా ఇస్తాం అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ ఇదే రాస్తాను నేను చూడండి. In live scenario, tolerance group allowed to the SAP system process to post transaction by in the tolerance group. The tolerance group having referred has a payment difference. If you have any difference, it will be considered. At the same time, you can have amount tolerance also. Don't give any dot on etc. things. Then go to Mundi system decimal తీసేస్తా. Please copy. And what do we have written here? S201 tolerance group. రాసాం. Previous class లో రాయలేదు. In previous there is no tolerance group. Now we are writing tolerance group. Please copy. Enter and save. Am I audible for online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Define tolerance. Employees. Okay. OBF. New entries. What is group here? S201. The previous general ledger accounting is going to be attached here. The company code is S2. And here I'm having limit for payments. Means whenever you are posting like purchase and sales, then I'm giving limit here 1 lakh. Amount for open item. Open items are nothing but credit purchase and credit sales. Then I'm giving here 10,000. Cash discount 2%. Okay, at the same time, you can write here revenue and cost account also. That is depends on the requirement. So here I'm giving, for example, revenue is 100%. Cash discount for adjustment is I'm not giving anything for 100. Please start. This is not mandatory. Okay, whenever you need differences.
Amount per dollar, 10,000, sir.
Yes, sir. Credit है.
10,000.
ये 1000 लिखा है शायद. Okay, एक काम करो सर. Wait 1 minute. Better immediately we'll close this. సూర్య సార్ మీరు నా సిస్టంలో యాక్టివేట్ చేస్తున్నారు చూసి. కరెన్సీ యూఎస్డి అయినారా మంది?
INR.
Okay. One lakh. 10,000. Please write. Please write. Endurance.
This one is debit one.
I will explain. Endurance. Once if you go with revenue, look here. It's called debit one, it's a credit one. Actually, that is called amount differences. You can exceed your procedure 10%. At the same time, whenever you are closing balances, sometimes the closing balance differences will adjust by accountants. For example, I'm doing one sales voucher. I'm posting one sales voucher against of my customer. Actually, bill is 19,023 rupees. 19,023 rupees. But due to some change issue, is paying 19,020 rupees only. The 3 rupees is not there. Then this 3 rupees is closed as a discount adjustment. This decision is done by accountant without any help. For 3 rupees is not going to ask anyone. He will close it. For example, the 19,023 rupees, but he's not having 23. Then I will close my bill at 19,000 only. The 23 rupees will comes as a discount bill. Okay. So sometimes we'll pay additional, sometimes we'll receive less. That is called cash discount adjustment too. And this is called extra permission. This is called your value. Enter and save. Okay, so please write note how to activate tolerance to the user. How to activate tolerance to the user. మామూలుగా మీకు తెలుసుగా టోలరెన్స్ గ్రూప్ ఈ పాత తెలుసు కదా ఓబీ ఓకే ఇక్కడనే ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది రాసుకోండి అసైన్ యూజర్ టు టోలరెన్స్ గ్రూప్ in the same path. Okay, same path. Select new entries. From now, whenever you have login by Sri Krishna Infotech, this tolerance will control you. Okay, if you entered more than this, automatically the system will say you are not authorized. We will create more than one tolerance and will assign to the users. For example, you are a petty cashier. You have access up to make the payment. Each transaction should be not more than 1,000 rupees. At the same time, in incoming payment also we have a limits. For the discount also we have a limits. I will give you one simple example. Whenever you visit any showrooms or any kind of particular things, the sales executive officer will give you certain percent of discount. Still you are bargaining, still you are asking more. Then immediately he will call to the manager or else the sales manager will come and he will make some more good discount. For example, he is my sales executive officer. I'm purchasing this device. Actually, the device cost is 10,000 rupees. Almost his discount as 1,000 rupees. But I'm requesting him to reduce some more. He's not having access. He will call to the sales manager. Then manager will give it 1,200 discount because he will log in by his user ID. The tolerance is having 12% discount access, but this fellow having only 10% discount access. This is called maintaining of tolerance. Okay, so do practice up to here. And at the same time, in group, I will send server technician number and please access it. And from today onwards, we'll start practice. And tomorrow I will explain chart of accounting in the second version, how we will work for the parallel chart of accounting, how we will coordinate with procedures. Okay. Sorry, after physical year, I will start, not now. Any questions from previous class? Am I clear? Any questions?
No, sir.